Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome 2019's Game Changer, Nicki Minaj, the Queen. Hello, everyone. Oh, God. Okay. Thank you to Billboard for doing this. It is the only thing that got me dressed in the last month. So, I don't know, maybe that's a good thing. So I know it's about that, but I just came here tonight to ask people to be a little bit more forgiving and understanding, especially with entertainers. We can't have a bad day. Women in this room, shout out to all the women in this room, make some noise. Why did you have to go there? Thank you for that woo. Yeah, I don't like making up speeches, and I definitely wasn't gonna read a teleprompter. Lastly, I want to thank my incredible fans, because I know somewhere they're figuring out a way how to watch this. You guys have been with me through thick and thin. I always am gonna keep surprises for you, even when you don't see me on the internet. I am still thinking about you, and I'm still working on ways to impress you guys and make you happy. So Barbs, wherever you are in the world, please know that I love you, and I thank you so much for your support.